What's up, guys? I've been waiting to make this video for quite a bit. As you can see, I'm in like a storage unit kind of thing, and it's actually because I'm announcing a new project on this channel, and as you can tell by the title, it's a new motorcycle. It is not that one, actually. As good as this one is, it's actually really cool old Triumph that I wish it was this old Triumph, but it's not. It's more of a project than that. I'll show you it now. It is right here, actually. This is my new, well, not new, as you can see. This is the new Honda CB350 project that will be happening on this channel. As I said, it is a lot of a project. It is pretty much all in pieces. Actually, the reason for that is because we had to fit it in the back of this car to get it here. I'll play a clip of that so you can see what that looked like. A whole motorcycle, gas tank, tire, just frame, engine, whole thing in the back of a Mercedes. Look at that. Woo! But anyways, that is the reason why it's in pieces, and this will be transformed over the next few months into the perfect motorcycle that I want it to be. So the purpose of this build is to kind of do a budget cafe racer. It's not going to be just restoring it, it's going to be definitely turn it into a cafe racer. So I have a lot of plans for this, and I won't go over all of them in this video because again there's a lot, but I'll kind of give you the rundown of what I want to do. So the plan is definitely fix up this gas tank here. The frame needs a lot of work to it. This needs to be re-welded. This is the seat mount. The seat actually looks pretty good. It's right down there. It's already a new seat. The wheels need to be fixed up. The chain, the carburetors. This is carbureted, and it is a 4-cylinder. So I also need to do some work with this, do exhaust for sure because the exhaust is rusted out. Need to get a new chain, wiring harness. Austin is working on right now. This is actually, I'm keeping it in Austin's storage unit. I'm very thankful to Austin for letting me do that. And Austin is being a bigger help than just letting me leave this here because he knows a lot about engines and wiring harnesses and everything like that. So that's a basic rundown of the project and what we're going to be doing. I don't exactly know when it's going to be finished because I don't exactly know everything that's wrong with it. We know a general idea and a general idea of what needs to be done. So that's why Ricky and I are here. Ricky's standing right behind the camera, and we're just going to basically do a rundown today on what needs to be fixed. We're going to probably take the gas tank and the carbs home to my house to work on over the next few weeks to kind of figure out more what's wrong with this later on. But anyway, that's the plan. So basically, we just got the carbs off. Here are the 4 carbs. This is, as I said, a 4-cylinder. This is kind of a pain to do. Basically, how we did it, we had to loosen these hose clamps here and just like pop this thing off. It took us, I don't know, probably 30 minutes or so. How long do you think it was?
Yeah, 25-30 minutes.
25-30 minutes to figure out what we did to do it. We just got a screwdriver, just a flathead, and we just kind of stuck it in there and pried the 2 ends off as once we loosened the hose clamps, and then these just popped off. So if you're having trouble with it, so if you're doing a CB350 build and you're having trouble with that, just take a screwdriver and kind of push them off. I'm going to replace these rubber pieces later that it was attached to. And we did get the gas tank was already off when I got it, so there's actually gas in it, which I did not know. So we're going to have to empty the gas out, clean it, and that should be it. So here's the gas tank right here. It actually has some gas in it and some spilt out, which, you know, that happens. It doesn't have any leaks, it just spilled out of the top because I was holding it upside down. So we're gonna, you know, clean this out, empty the gas from it, and then paint it and, you know, get the rust off of that. It's just surface rust, luckily. There's no big dents really either, which is nice, maybe right there, but that's fine. We're gonna take that with us. We're gonna clean all of this stuff up. This is gonna stay, you know, frame and whatnot, and we're just gonna kind of put everything in this box. This box has a bunch of parts of it. These are the old air filters, so those are definitely going to have to be replaced. The old mirrors are in here. I may take these with me and work on them a little bit. But yeah, here's basically all of the stuff that came with the bike. There's the bike right here. And then here are the carburetors, which I'm going to take these. We're actually missing a carb screw, I noticed right here. Notice how these things have little set screws, and this one is just missing. So that's actually not really linked right now. So I'm going to have to fix that. A few other things, some lines have been cut from the old owner, and we're definitely gonna have to replace, you know, clutch and brakes and everything, gas cable. Anyways, that's basically the plan. I think I'm gonna do it for this video. We actually have cars and comments to get to, and there's not much I can do on this right now. Just tackling it a little bit at a time. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like CB350s or you see this project unfold, definitely subscribe down below, leave a like, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye.